Let's get in the kitchen. This week on Game Day Grub, presented by TECO People's Gas, Angie Vaselli and Chef Tony have a dish to make our visitors from the Pacific Northwest feel right at home.
Welcome to Game Day Grub, presented by TECO People's Gas. We're in a Dreamfinders Homes model right here in Longfield Preserve, which is a natural gas community. And I brought in some reinforcements for this recipe. This is your favorite.
Yes.
Right? This is Alexis, child number 4.
Number 4.
4. See, that's what happens when you have 5 kids.
Well, you lose count?
You do.
I have 2, and let me tell you, that's hard enough.
Exactly. And of course, we've got Chef Tony with Publix, and we're making her favorite recipe. What is it?
You know, when you guys passed this along, I was like, man, this is fantastic. This is a cedar plank salmon with coconut rice, and we wanted to jazz it up with a little tropical fruit salsa just to kind of blend it all together. Hope you don't mind. But
oh, are you kidding me? Making my favorite recipe even better. Mangoes have to be probably my favorite fruit. So
all right, hey,
lucky,
lucky us today. So hey, let's get our marinade started. So Angie, what I want you to do is you're going to take a mixture of soy sauce and bourbon here, and you're going to put it into this mixing bowl. And then next to it we have some ginger. It's ground ginger and light brown sugar.
Oh, sounds so good.
And you've already got the ginger in there.
Already in there, so stir that together for me.
Thank you for making it easy for me.
No wonder I love this recipe. So
now
much.
notice, we're going to leave the salt out of this one because we have our soy sauce in there,
okay.
And that's going to help us. So go ahead and put then I'll take the whisk. You go ahead and put the salmon in, and then put both pieces and turn it around, and we'll let that marinate. We'll give it about 15 minutes or so.
Perfect.
All right, Alexis, over there, I want you to take everything that's on those plates.
All right.
The cilantro, the pineapple, the mango, the papaya, the red pepper.
The mango, of
I
course.
see that. I see that. Just put it in. Don't be bashful. You're not going to hurt it. We're making a salsa. Salsa is just a type of sauce. This way, it's a fruit sauce. There you go. Woo! Yeah, get them all. So what we'll do is with salmon, we'll take it outside to our natural gas grill, where we can get a nice even flame. We have a cedar plank here, which we'll put on the grill and start it cooking first. That way the cedar smell and taste starts to come through.
Get that aroma
When
going.
we flip it,
okay.
we put the salmon on top of the plank, and we'll let it cook for about 15 minutes until the salmon's done. During that time, our salsa has time for all those flavors to come together. And at the very end, we'll just fix up our coconut rice to give us our cedar plank salmon with tropical fruit salsa and coconut rice.
For the Cedar Plank Salmon recipe and a look at all the Game Day Grub segments, you can visit peoplesgas.com/cooking.